Today we're going to talk about 5 such books which are non-fiction and can actually change your life if you give them a chance. And also, I did write an email a few days ago on my newsletter. So we've started this newsletter. If you want, you can go to this link and it is also pasted in the description, and you can go and check out the newsletter and you can subscribe to it. If you do, then such emails which talk about these videos in the future, you will be receiving these emails, and these emails are prepared with a lot of careful research and careful thought before actually shooting them out to you. So if you want, you're most welcome to my newsletter. You can subscribe to the newsletter. It's absolutely free of cost. Let's start with the first book that I have for you, and I do have them here, so I'm going to be showing these books to you, and there are just 5 of them. So let's start with the first book that I have on the list for you, Why We Sleep. This book will actually change your life. The reason is that this book is going to show you the importance of sleep in your life, how much you take it for granted and how much you never really pay attention to it, although it has a direct connection with your mind. And I have started to pay more attention to sleep ever after this book entered our lives. Okay, so please read this book. This was there in the newsletter also. We shot this newsletter out to a few of you people who have subscribed to the newsletter already. We are roughly, I think, more than 2000 now, and since the number is changing, so can't really bring out one figure to you, but more than 2000 people are already there on the newsletter. It's open to you, and this email about all these 5 books was shot to them, so they will be able to relate with it. If you did see that email, comment below and let me know. Okay, let's I do have the book also here. I'll show it to you. This is the book. Okay, and this is by Matthew Walker. This is an amazing book, and if I have to give you the crux of the book, what he has said last in the book is that if there's one thing that you want to take away from this book, it should be that you should go to the bed in the night at the same time and get up at the same time in the morning. This is one thing that you should be doing all your lives. This is the only crux that you can be taking from this book. This is what the author has to say right towards the end. So this is no climax. This is a non-fiction book, I can say. I can tell you what's written in the end, right? Okay, let's move to the next one that I have for you. Predictably Irrational. I'm referring to my list that is here, because otherwise, I will not be able to remember. So this was an earth-shaking book for me, and I don't really have it with me right now because I gave it away to some friend of mine. This book, Predictably Irrational, is going to help you broaden your mind and will change your perspective towards a lot of things in your life. How you have been living your life erroneously, and how a little difference here and there in your emotions can actually bring about a lot of change in your living. It is going to give you a little bit of humility. It is going to tell you that you can be wrong at times. The next one is The Pig That Wants to Be Eaten. I have the book here. This is the book, and there are several experiments in the book which is going to put your mind in the wonder mode. So you should read it because it is going to actually question you on several aspects and will put you in, it's going to give you that thinking hat where you'll be wondering what should be the correct answer to this scenario. And you will be amazed the way author will actually, if you've not read philosophy before, I would say you start with this book here. You start with this book. This is the best book to start with philosophy. That's my suggestion for you. Okay, the next one that I have on the list is Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits I don't have here with me. Atomic Habits is a book which we did not really read from a copy, but we actually heard it on Audible, and that is how we heard the entire book through while we were driving. Atomic Habits is going to tell you about the business of habits, how you can actually use the power of habits, because everybody has their own set of habits, right? All of us have habits. I have a few habits, you have a few habits. Like, one of my habits is to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Whether I'm sleeping very, very late, I still get up very early in the morning. It's just a habit that my mind has adapted itself to. So you may have a certain set of your own habits, and this book is going to teach you how to use those habits towards the betterment of your life, towards bringing about a positive change to your life. Okay, because habits are and they can be extremely powerful tool. You want to really change your life, you've got to work on your habits. And I'm sure this is not something that I'm telling you for the first time. I'm sure you must have thought of something like this before. The next one that I have for you is how to read a book. How to read a book, that's actually the title of the book. This book is going to tell you about the different perspectives with which you actually read a book. There are different objectives behind reading a book, and this book is going to tell you, if you're reading a book for a certain purpose, what should be your approach and what would be the best way of actually reaching out to the book and actually using the book. And I am reading this book on Kindle. Here it is. So this is all, guys, and all our lives we've been reading the books the wrong way. If you will read this book, you will find out how to actually read a book. Okay, that is all on the list today. If you really want to subscribe to the newsletter that I'm providing to the people who have subscribed to it, you can definitely check out the link in the description, and here it is on the screen. You can also type it out and go and visit and start with the newsletter. When you respond to that newsletter, I will be receiving an email. So all your comments on the newsletter and everything is going to be received by me in my mailbox. So that is how we will be able to connect more personally. And the list is over, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. I will be back with another such video very soon for you. You take care of yourself. Bye.